Hi guys, Aubrey here, back in another video, and today I'm here with...
The feline!
Yes,
Better.
she is very loud. She's a loud
Yes.
person. A very loud person. Louder than
Yes.
me. Except for when I squeal. Then I'm louder than her. Anyways, today we are going to be doing a Pokemon dress-up battle thingy-majiggy. And yeah, I don't know how to call it. Okay, and as you see here, I'm adding another tab. You can't see it, feline. I'm sorry.
No, I can't. That's sad.
All right, I pulled up the wheel to side, and we will put all the evolutions up here for the first round. So we will put Eevee because she's technically an evolution.
Then Vaporeon. Flareon, then Jolteon from Gens.
Alright, and it says Jolted. I just said Jolteon, and then it corrected me.
Oh, well, great. That's...
No.
Oh my god, someone's in the den! Oh my god!
No! Out!
Someone's
Who the heck is in my den? I bet it's Gaming Elf.
I don't know! I have to check!
Flareon, and then... who's up next? Umbreon.
No, it's DJ. DJ Arctic Wolves. Wolvers.
He always follows me. I told him not to follow me.
Oh, well, great.
Alright. And then... Leafeon.
My favorite Pokemon ever.
And then, is there another one? I forgot.
Glaceon.
Glaceon.
Some people call it Glaceon, but it's Glaceon.
Exactly. Oh, wait. Glace. Yeah.
Glace, great.
And then Sylveon.
The last one, Gen 6.
Yeah. Okay. Apply wheel changes. Do we have all 9? 1, 2, or 6? Or was it 7 or 8? All 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, it was 9. Okay. 3, 2, 1,
okay,
spin!
wait.
And for you
Who's
have to do... Okay, you have to do, Jolteon.
Ooh, nice.
Okay, my turn. Let's see who I get. Please don't be a hard one. Espeon.
Be a hard one.
Espeon.
Ooh, nice. Espeon's really easy.
Not really for me. Okay. And 3, 2, 1, go.
Good. Oh my god, I don't know what animals to start with.
Okay.
It's gonna be a fennec fox.
Okay, so
I don't know
purple.
It's Jaggy fur.
She's purple. Wait, hold on. Espeon has a red dot on her head.
Yep.
What am I gonna do for that? You know what, actually, guys, let's pause the video and then we'll be right back once we're done with our animals. Okay? Okay.
Yeah. For, like, item.
Okay, guys, so I'm not finished, but, like, I'm gonna choose another one because this one's too hard and I can't find the red dot on its freaking head. Okay, so let's choose another one. 3, 2, 1, go. Who's it gonna be? I got Vaporeon. It's not that as bad.
No.
Alright, and
A
I'll
really
be right
easy
back.
one. Go.
Okay, so guys, we are also going to, like, respin for Felina as well, because she's also having trouble finding the neck item. But I found the perfect neck item. It's amazing. Okay.
It's a back item.
I know, but it looks like it's on its face if you look really closely. Okay,
yeah.
So in 3, 2, 1, spin. You got Glaceon!
Ooh, yes, another of my favorite Pokemon.
Alright, good luck to you
Thank you.
and everyone that is watching right now. Please, fingers crossed for her. Alright guys, we are all done, and obviously you guys already saw mine. But let's now rate Felina's. Pretty good,
Ooh.
actually. It looks very nice. And
Ooh.
yeah, I think 10 out of 10, I give it a 1,000.
Thank you.
What do you rate
Okay.
me now? You gotta rate me.
Okay. Pastures. Yours is really creative. What you did with the a 10 million out of 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Okay. Thank you.
A 10 million out of 10.
Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you would like to rate our looks by yourself, you can down in the description. But if it gets disabled by YouTube, I am very sorry. That's not my problem to fix.
Oh my god, that's so dark.
I know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye, my little TVs.